Alright guys, this Lamborghini Urus, it's all about performance, technology, design. However, this Lamborghini Urus is worth over $206,000. That will be equivalent to about 190 million naira. And this is super clean, very sweet, amazing, so beautiful, and it's a super sport, as you can see. However, this Lamborghini Urus has a really nice interior and exterior. As you can see, the exterior, it's white in color, and it has an engine of V8 cylinder, and it weighs about 4,844 pounds, and an engine horsepower of about 641 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. As you can see, it has a really nice blue interior with leather seats. However, it has some technological functionality, which is amazing. You can adjust your seats. It has the heating system, which goes all the way to the back seats. And the dashboard has this nice digital screen where you'll be able to see your speedometer. You'll be able to actually adjust the temperature. You'll be able to make phone calls, and it has a wireless charging system for your phone as well. However, you'll be able to use this screen that you see here to adjust your seats, to be able to navigate using the GPS tracking system as well, and also to navigate using the normal GPS system. However, this Lamborghini is really suited and amazing for friends and family, and it goes a long way to giving this comfort because it has this amazing inbuilt wireless charging. Isn't that amazing, guys? It has this nice rear end design, as you can see, with double exhaust, very smooth with some nice rims. So this gives us a view of the back seats, and you can see it has a digital control system from the back seats where you can control the temperature, as well as have this view of the whole dashboards from the back. As you can see, it's so innovative with this lining, and the design, it's so innovative, guys. Very smooth leather seats as well. As you can see, that's the control. And it gives you this nice legroom as well. So this is the Lamborghini Urus, and it's so beautiful and very advanced in technology. The headlamps are very unique. It has this unique style, as you can see. So the front view and the back view is all compacted in a nice systematic camera system, and the headlamps are so smooth. As you can see, the front bumper, it's in a very nice design, which gives it this unique style of luxury, and very comfortable, bold, high, innovative, technological, advanced design. So this is the Lamborghini Urus. Very amazing, smooth, like never before.